Is your ADHD brain stuck in a shutdown loop? This session uses a warm pendulum rhythm for EMDR stimulation. EMDR stands for eye movement desensitization and reprocessing, a method used to help the brain file away stressful thoughts so they stop looping. By following this bilateral rhythm, you're giving your nervous system a predictable path to downshift. I've layered it with 174 Hz for grounding and a transition from theta focus into deep delta waves. This isn't just background noise, it's a biological sleep protocol. Put on your headphones